In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page orientation in Adobe Express. Let's get started by opening Adobe Express on your computer. You can use the app or the web version. Either way, the interface looks very similar, so the steps will match what you see. Give it a moment to load so all your tools are available. Before you do anything else, make sure you're signed in. Being logged in ensures you can access your projects and that your changes are saved to your account. If you work across devices, confirming you're in the correct account helps you find the right files right away. Now, look to the left side of the screen. If you want to switch the orientation of something you've already created, head into your stuff and open that project. If you're starting fresh, choose Start a New Design, then click New Design to create a blank canvas. Starting new is great when you already know you'll need portrait or landscape, while opening an existing file is perfect when you just need to flip what you've been working on. Once your project is open, move to the top toolbar and find the Resize button. This is the hub for adjusting your canvas dimensions and, importantly, your page orientation. Click it to open the resizing panel. In the panel, look to the left side for the recommended options. Within this section, you'll see orientation choices. This is where you select whether you want your page to be portrait, which is taller than it is wide, or landscape, which is wider than it is tall. Choose the orientation that best suits your content. For example, portrait is usually ideal for flyers and documents, while landscape works well for presentations, banners, or wide images. Click one of the sample orientation options to apply it to your project. Adobe Express will automatically adjust the canvas. If you're switching an existing design, take a moment to check your layout afterward. Elements might need minor adjustments like nudging text boxes back into alignment or scaling images, so everything looks balanced in the new orientation. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you don't immediately see the Resize button, make sure your canvas is selected and you're in the main editor view. After changing orientation, zoom out to review the whole design and use guides or snapping to tidy up spacing. Finally, preview your project to confirm that everything looks great before you export or share it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the page orientation in Adobe Express, and you now know exactly where to find it the next time you need to switch between portrait and landscape.